Begin with a square paper, fold corner to corner both ways. Unfold and fold into half, edge to edge. Open it up and now fold the left and the right edges to the center crease. Unfold the whole thing and then fold into half, edge to edge again. Unfold, fold the left and the right edges to the center crease. Then take this bottom side edge, this one, and squash it into a triangle like so. Do it with the other side edge. Rotate the paper 180 degrees. Push the upper triangle away from you. And then fold the side edges to the central line. Now fold from here, turning it towards you, and you'll have a triangle shape popping up. Now fold the tip of the triangle downwards. There's just an arbitrary line, fold wherever you want, and fold the rest of the paper into half, like so. Now we're gonna push the two sharp looking triangles upwards. And don't make it go vertically up, just keep it at a slant and press it down firmly. Now fold the right edge over to the left, placing a little downwards. Unfold and open from the bottom and invert the crease you just made. Right. Open the bottom again and push the middle crease upwards. And pinch the corners like so. If you have a little tail sticking out, then simply push it downward. It'll just disappear. If you don't have it sticking out, then there's no need to do this. Then, now the last step, put your fingers between the folds and then nudge from the bottom like so. Just a little, not too much. Just open up the fold, nudge it from the bottom. And there you go. It's all done. If you wish, you can make an eye there. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.